Hello beautiful humans, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa Stewart and today I will be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this purple smoky eye right here. It's a little bold. Okay, it's a lot of bold, all right. But I just wanted to kind of step outside of my comfort zone here, and I think that I did that with this. I've just been feeling a little creative, so I hope that you're ready to see how I achieve this look. If you are, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, first I'm going to start by placing some setting powder under my eyes just to catch any fallout that I may get. Then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to pat in my base. We just want to make sure that there are no creases because we don't want our eyeshadow to be creased. Then I'm going to go in with this color called Not My Journey from my Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. And I'm just going to start packing that color into the crease. So I'm going to start in the outer crease, outer V area, and then I'm just going to start working my way in. Now, to be honest, okay, this palette isn't the most pigmented palette, okay? So you kind of got to work slow and like just slowly build up. So this will take time. Plus, I don't plan on using any real transition color per se. So you want to make sure that you diffuse the edges of this color as best as you can, okay? And that will just provide for a nice seamless blend and fade up into like your flesh color of your eyebrow or your brow bone. So guys, OMG, man, I've been like going through it with my skin. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's because I have to wear the mask all the time or what, but I have been breaking out left, right, and center. Then I went to a dermatologist. They gave me a cream, and the cream, oh my goodness, made it worse. So right now I'm recovering. So if you're wondering why we started with our base already done, that is why. I have a severe breakout right now with a lot of scars that I just don't want to deal with. All right, so right now I'm taking my pressed powder from MAC in the color C7, and I'm just blending that in the brow bone, setting the concealer that's under there, as well as the base that's under my brow bone. Then I'm going to go back in with some more of that P. Louise base, the blank canvas, and I'm going to pat that onto the lid just to brighten that area back up because we want that nude color that we're going to put there to really pop. Okay, so then you're just going to blend out the edges as well. Now I'm going in with that color. It's from the Juvia's Place Nudes palette. The palette itself, the color doesn't have, well, the colors within the palette don't have names, so I just have the picture on the screen for you guys. We're going to place that on both sides. Blending. Then we're going to go back in with a clean brush and we're just going to start diffusing where the purple and the nude meet in the crease and all of those edges. We just want to create a nice seamless blend. Also, we don't want any harsh lines. This isn't exactly a cut crease. So now on the lower lash line, what I'm going to do is take some more of that P. Louise base in blank canvas and then just blend that out on the lower line because we want the color to really pop under the eye as well. And then I'm going to go in with that purple color again from the same palette and just start packing that color on. Just take your time to do it. I have very sensitive eyes, guys, so I'm going to warn you. When I do this, my eyes start to water like it's nobody's business. But we're just going to keep pressing through and go ahead and blend those colors out. Now I'm going to take a fluffy, well, a pointed brush, and we're just going to blend that color out. We're not going to put any extra color. We're just blending out what we just laid down. Now I'm going to go in with my liner. So I'm starting with my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream gel liner. Then I'm going to go in with the same black color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to pack that on to set that color. Then I'm going to go back in with the Nudes palette, and I'm going to place the lightest nude color in that palette on my waterline to set the P. Louise base that I put there. And then we're going to go back in with that purple color and intensify that lower lash line once again. Now I'm going to go in with my Mcgrath Blitz Astral Quad in the color Astral Gold Allure. I love this color, guys, for the inner corner highlight. I use this on everybody. I don't care what complexion you are or whatever. If I put this in that person's inner tear duct, it instantly just brightens the face. Oh, I love it so much. So now I'm going in with my Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. Going to give a nice healthy coating to the top. And then I'm going to do the bottom lashes as well. All right, so I left this in here because I wanted you guys to see the struggle. My eyes are watering. I'm trying so hard not to ruin all the work I just did. And I've started putting on lashes. So as you see, I have one lash already done. And these are the Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating. I really, really like how light and airy these are. They feel lightweight on your eyes, and then they complement a plethora of looks as well. So I'm just going to place those on my eyes and make sure that they're adjusted, and hopefully we don't cry them off. Now I'm excited. I'm starting to see the look come together. All right, so now I'm going to go in with my NYX Lip Liner in the color Brown, and I'm just going to line my lips. Now, I'm not going to lie. I started off with a different color than what you're going to see here. So after I put the liner on, I'm going to go in with a Morphe lip color. I think it's Boohoo. So it's a Morphe liquid lipstick. I think it's in the color Boohoo or something like that. But I put that on and it was just a little bit darker than I wanted. So I did blend it out. But then next you'll see me go in with the color Siss from MAC. So I put that on top of it and blended it out. Next, I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss from Morphe in the color Frosé and just place that on top. It's actually kind of iridescent. You can't really tell in the video. I wish that you could, but it's like a purple iridescent color, believe it or not. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I really had a great time creating it. Like, I've been in like a really creative mood lately. I don't know what it is, but I'm grateful for it because it's helping me to step out of my box. If you know me in real life, you know that I'm a very neutral girl. I wear a lot of browns. That's basically it, browns and golds. So I'm trying to step out of my box, add a little bit of color, and I hope that you guys enjoyed that. If you did, make sure that you thumbs up this video, comment below if there's anything that you'd like to see from me in particular in the future. Hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you're alerted with any future uploads from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!